TridentZ for the best smart TV in the market. 128GB of storage, 8GB of RAM, which my latest LG OLED C4 has only 6. I wonder, is it going to be faster than LG OLED, which is, I think, top in the market? 8K Ultra, that's what it says on the box. I don't think it's 8K, but, well. Alright, we do have a remote. Super cool. HDMI cable, power, and the device itself. Alright. Did I broke it already? Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Connectivity. Well, USB, Internet, HDMI, AV, power, and micro SD, and another USB. Wow, that's impressive. Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, dedicated buttons on the remote, AAA battery not included. We're gonna use wireless connection, 8K cable, HDMI, and power. Wow. Okay, it is on. So, what do we have? First of all, we need to test that mouse button. Are we going to have enter the mouse mode? So, oh, I thought it would be like a pointer, like the LG models, but that's not the case. What if I use a LG remote? Is it going to work? No. No, it is not. But funny thing, if you use this remote with an LG OLED, it will work, but not other way around. Let's see the settings. About. Well, we are on Android 14, going down. Whoa, that is fast. Let's see storage. Yes, 8GB and 128. Then what kind of apps are we going to have? Let me go quickly with the remote. Okay, that's what we got here. Get more apps, Google Play Store, and we do have all kinds of apps, all kinds. Wow. We have Tidal, Spotify, games, TikTok is available, NASA is available, Max, IMAX, Gboard if you wanted to, Prime Video, Google and Apple TV. Okay, I'm not sure about the Google TV, but Apple TV is definitely available. All kinds of features. Okay, going back in a second. File Manager. Okay, allow. Okay, allow. Local memory, net. Okay, local memory. It's basically an Android. Let's see how quick this will be. And go. Wow, that's very quick. Quicker than any TV I got. And I do have the latest ones. That is super quick. Wow, impressive. Okay, let me fire one of the videos. All right, we need to see how fast it will load the video. Let's check this one. Check the loading. Wow, that is amazing. Super fast. Also, cool video. Again, check. It's faster than any TV, any smart TV. Wow. All right. What if that is so fast. Okay, I didn't press the play button. What if I want to go back? Instant. Forward. Instant. If I go way beyond the loading time. Okay, it needs a little bit of time because it didn't load that instant. Wow. Yes! HDR. High quality content. Whoa! Image quality is just mind-blowing. Wow. Amazing. All right. LAN card has only 100 to 100. Well, of course you can connect mouse and keyboard. I noticed that when you go at the very end and you have those music, entertainment tools, features, for example this one, you can have even more apps. The amount of apps is just insane. And how quick that is. Gaming, and do remember, this is not a cloud gaming, this is internal gaming. Okay, the resolution is I mean, oh, what's that? Whoa! A jump. Come on. Where's the turbo? Oh, I've got some turbo. How do I engage turbo? You definitely need an Xbox pad for it, or some kind of different pad, but you can see you can play the 30 frames per second nicely. It's time to test VLC player. I insert a memory card, and let's see how quick this will be. Quick! Super quick, I like it. Look how quick that is. Super quick. So the VLC player is it's really good. There's even an app for the local TV, so you can like watch the view without the antenna. What's the weather?
Currently in Rzeszów, it's 38 degrees and partly cloudy. Today, it'll be cloudy, with a forecasted high of 39 and a low of 31.
Winning. And the conclusion, is it better than the built-in smart for the 2024 LG Samsung TVs? Well, kinda. You see, the menu itself is faster, but processing power, processing 4K videos, not that powerful. But forget about 8K. They advertise in 8K. No, forget about it. 4K is the max. And I think that's what I got. Very inexpensive new life for your old TV. See you next video.